Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into why the Adidas Unisex-Child Adizero Impact.2 Spark molded football sneaker is hands down the best football cleat for kids right now. Let's get straight into it. When it comes to youth football, every parent wants footwear that offers durability, comfort, and performance. The Adizero Impact.2 Spark does just that, and more. Built specifically for young athletes, these cleats combine functionality with thoughtful design to ensure kids are game-ready with every snap. Visually, the pair we're looking at comes in a sleek white, silver metallic, and white colorway. It has that clean, high-energy look that's going to pop on the field without being too flashy. But the appeal of this shoe goes far beyond the surface. At the core of the shoe's comfort system is Adidas' signature bounce cushioning. This lightweight foam runs through the midsole and delivers a springy, responsive feel underfoot. Whether your child is sprinting, cutting, or making quick directional changes, the bounce cushioning helps absorb impact while keeping every step light and fast. It's a feature usually found in adult cleats, and seeing it included here means Adidas isn't cutting corners on quality. Now let's talk about the fit. The cleats are equipped with adjustable laces, giving kids a snug and secure lockdown. That's crucial on the football field, where one loose step could lead to injury. The lacing system works in tandem with the molded structure of the shoe, hugging the foot and delivering all-around support. Durability is another major win. The shoe features an anti-abrasion TPU forefoot overlay. This isn't just a fancy term. What it means is that the high wear zones of the shoe are protected with a hard-wearing material. This overlay prevents scuffing, tearing, and wear from turf or grass surfaces, even after repeated practices and intense game days. The outsole is made entirely of rubber, offering excellent grip and traction. The cleat pattern is strategically designed for multi-directional movement, helping kids accelerate quickly, stop on a dime, and change direction with confidence. Whether they're running routes, chasing down defenders, or blocking, these cleats have them covered. Another impressive aspect of this sneaker is its commitment to sustainability. Adidas has incorporated at least 20% recycled materials in the product's construction. By reusing existing materials, the company reduces waste and lowers its environmental footprint, something that's worth applauding, especially in a product aimed at the next generation. Size-wise, there's plenty of flexibility. The cleats are available in toddler to big kid sizes, ranging from 10 toddler up to 6 big kid. That makes it easier for parents to find the right fit as their child grows season after season. If your kid is serious about football, even at a young age, the Adizero Impact.2 Spark provides the kind of performance and support you'd expect from high-end adult cleats. It's perfect for players who need reliable traction, comfortable cushioning, and long-lasting durability. To wrap up, Adidas has nailed the formula here. The Adizero Impact.2 Spark molded football sneaker checks every box. It's tough, comfortable, eco-conscious, and most importantly, designed with young athletes in mind. It's not just a football cleat, it's a performance tool built to help kids play better, safer, and with more confidence. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns. See you in the next one.